Australia is meeting global challenges such as population growth, changing consumption patterns, climate change and food safety and security by developing cutting-edge technology and equipment for the agricultural industry.
At AgriDigital, myself and my other two co-founders, we've come together to be unified around solving three problems that have plagued the industry globally for a long time. The problems of payment security for farmers and sellers through the supply chain, helping buyers access just-in-time and flexible forms of supply chain finance so they can purchase commodities. And thirdly, I guess we're really focused on consumers like you and I so that we have food transparency. We're one of the world's first companies to use blockchain in agriculture, and we're looking at those unique properties of blockchain such as immutability of data, the record keeping, the ability to execute smart contracts. At the end of the day, what we're really focused on is solving problems, and I think that's what we do really well.
The Oz-Iris app is very exciting. There's definitely a growing trend that consumers want to know more about their produce, the food and wine, where it comes from, who's growing it, and a bit of the story behind those growers.
We can claim we're the world first to combine full end-to-end traceability and anti-counterfeit technology to the food, beverage and wine industry. Australia produces some of the best products in the world, and we want to make sure that those products are safe, authentic and as premium as they could be.
Integrating is an Australian wheat and barley breeding business. We develop new varieties for Australian growers that have improved yield, better disease resistance and deliver the end product customer requirements.
We begin the new genetics, we innovate new products and see them right the way through that process to delivering them to customers in other countries.
Integrating has a specialty program in wheat breeding, and that is our udon noodle program, and that has led to Western Australia being the world exclusive supplier to Japan and Korea for grain of udon noodles.
At the back of our mind is always that importance of food security, of production for countries that aren't able to produce enough for themselves.
1/3 of everything we need relies on bees. Over the last 50 years, the number of bees are going down. We developed a technology that has attracted the interest from scientists from all over the planet. They want to work with us and have access to this microsensing technology that we developed at CSIRO. Australia has a world-class capability, and how can we develop better instruments to understand how those stress factors are affecting bees? In a way, we are not building microsensors or microchips, we are building the future of this planet. When we tag a microchip on a bee, we are actually working towards food security and work towards a better place, a better planet for us to live in.
Australia's physical environment has demanded constant innovation to ensure the high productivity, safety and quality of its agricultural sector. Our scientific and technical advances have placed Australia at the forefront of agricultural efficiency and productivity, advances that can be shared with the world.